We're going to take a look at what's called a siphon, all right? A siphon. And there's different ways to do this, but one of the least disgusting ways is to do it without putting your mouth on the straw. And that's the key. First of all, I need to get the air out of this. Now, what I could do is put my mouth out of this and suck the water in, but that's disgusting, so I'm not going to do that. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot water through this tube. Now, how is that an advantage? What am I attempting to do? Yes?
Push the air out.
Exactly, I'm pushing the air out, and we can tell that air is coming out because we see bubbles coming up through the water. I'm trying to figure out where okay, there's the opening, it's right here. So we can see air bubbles are still coming out. So the water is coming through, is pushing the air out, and it does take a little bit of time to do that. Now we know we're pretty much done when what happens? The bubbles stop. Okay, so we should be good to go here. All right, so I'm gonna turn this off. Yeah, bring that over here. And now I'm gonna lift this somewhat. You can see it's just not terribly dramatic when it's up to this distance. Okay, yeah, I'm going to do that here in a second. Okay. You can see it's coming out pretty fast now. All right. Now, what's interesting about this is that does water normally flow uphill? Okay, in this case it is. And in fact, we can get to go a pretty good distance. All right, so if I lift this, I can lift this all the way up, and it's still floating. So I don't know what distance that is, but I mean it's going up pretty high. All right, so that's called a siphon, and that's kind of useful, but it's not terribly fun. Now there's a way to use this that's kind of fun, I think. All right, here we go.
Jump, jump, jump. Wait. Henry, stop, bro.
You're not wrong.
So you can make your own water fountain. You can make your own water fountain.
You can stop now.
You're completely
Are you
Now,
hydrated?
yes. Now the key to this, what's that? Okay. So you can see this is going to be draining out until roughly, the water level gets somewhere around here.
And why does it, like, when the second and the pouring?